we need to close the new launch.
Hi, वही
Look at this birthday boy.
Most expensive product. 15 lakh का mold बनेगा.
Bladder is also cramping, uterus is also cramping.
Hopefully becomes a part of your routine.
Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another. सत्यम इधर ही सुखाओ आप कपड़ा और टावल और फिर लोग बोलते हैं इतना घर पे खर्चा करके क्या फायदा. What's up? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Sir. मैं अच्छे से सो के उठी हूँ तो इतनी फ्रेश लग रही हूँ. सैटरडे संडे मैं अपनी नींद पूरी कैच अप कर लेती हूँ. मैंने टिंट लगाया वो हाथों पे भी लग गया है. हम जा रहे हैं जिम अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग. ज्यादा टाइम नहीं है बिकॉज आई डू गो टू ऑफिस ऑन सैटरडेज ऑल्सो. सो आई डिड गेट सम स्लीप. माई वूप फर्स्ट नाइट वेयरिंग इट, फर्स्ट नाइट्स रिव्यू said I got 88% of sleep, which is good, which is amazing. I was expecting not even 50%. And उसमें से 3/4 was deep sleep. So माशाल्लाह. रिकवरी से 29% हुई apparently. So मुझे मतलब और थोड़ा समझना पड़ेगा रिकवरी का क्या मतलब है. Maybe the stress I take in the day doesn't recover in 88% sleep also. Which ma'am, I'm like रहने दो. इससे कम stress तो मैं नहीं ले सकती because yesterday was a moderately stressed day. Now I'm heading to the gym. I'll get a 30-minute full body. I don't have a trainer today. I saw an Instagram post. मैं वो करूँगी. So I'll do full body exercises. So we'll do thrusters. That is full like squat करके ऊपर ऐसा. तो full body gets engaged and this core also gets involved. I'll do split squat. So you go पीछे ऐसा. Then I'll do abs लेट के scissor knee and I'll do my back exercise which I really like. So can you see that movement? मेरा body fat इतना है कि तुमको इतना muscle नहीं दिखेगा, but can you see the muscle bulk move? Yeah. Anyway, that's the plan. फटाफट से एक 45-minute वर्कआउट कर लेंगे. इसमें ना टाइम नहीं दिखता. मुझे इतनी आदत हो गई इसमें टाइम देखने की. टाइम हो रहा है 11:30. हम 12:15 ऊपर आएंगे. I'll just change my top and we'll run to work. And then we'll come back by 5:30 and go out to meet friends in the night. That's our Saturday plan. Tomorrow is Sunday and it is Fajju's birthday. Oh my god, it is Fajja's birthday. Fajja is going to be 8 years old. 8 years old tomorrow. मम्मी का ये मैंगलोर तो केक उसका बनाने के लिए कोई है नहीं तो रीत बनाने वाला है. फर्स्ट टाइम उसका केक. तो केक हम बनाते हैं मटन एंड चीज से. नॉर्मल चॉकलेट तो ऑफकोर्स डॉग्स डोंट ईट. अजी मटन केक. मटन केक. मटन केक टुमारो. तो रीत बनाएगा. देखते हैं व्हाट योर डाडा मिक्स. I'm having my coffee with ghee as my pre-workout. Done at the gym. Look at that redness. That is not blush. That is redness. Love that. 4 exercises I could do and I did some good stretching. So that's that. Now let's go to work. Today I'm going to have an all black day.
A few moments later.
मेरा एक डर यही है कि वापस वो नहीं होना चाहिए के साथ जो यूजुअली हमारे साथ होता है इम्पल्स में कि हम लॉन्च पे बहुत मार्केटिंग करते हैं, इवेंट करते हैं, इन्फ्लुएंसर वगैरह सब कुछ और फिर हम सोल्ड आउट हो जाते हैं.
बात होता है ना 15 दिन का सेट ट्रैक करके उसको ऑर्डर देना पड़ेगा
नेक्स्ट बैच के लिए.
One eternity later.
Okay, I'm done at work. It's 6:40 on Saturday and I'm going to quickly put my laptop on sleep. Actually, I'm going to shut it. Did a fair bit of work today. आज मैं सोच रही हूँ लैपटॉप इधर ही छोड़ दूँ. Reed is coming to pick me up. I'm having some protein coffee. I will quickly change to go out. I usually never leave my laptop here, so it's kind of weird. Actually, this phone also doesn't come to use at all. So let me leave everything here and just take my phone charger. So I am actually detaching on Sunday and not working. But I did a fair bit of work. This week we need to close the new launch. Not a very good day in office, but it's okay. Not every day can be the best, right? It's okay. I'm also PMSing, so I'm kind of moody. Maybe it's a good day and I'm not feeling like it's a good day. Actually, I was productive. I finished shortlisting all our meta ads. जितना भी content we have in our content bank, उसको मैंने सारा shortlist किया है. बुनाइटा और रिया को changes दिए हैं कि end screen क्या change करना है. So Monday they will get to that. I had a creative strategy meeting with my team, Sara Sarosh and Impulse के आगे August month में क्या content डालना है वगैरह. I actually had to give August का sales plan कि क्या targets meet करने हैं, कहाँ sale कब रखेंगे हम. Monday की task list बना दूँ क्या मैं एक task list टिक नहीं करती हूँ. Monday की बना देती हूँ. Such is life. Okay, Monday we will work on August sale plan. Then the team will give all performance ads, so I don't need to do that. I'm done with that.
Later that same evening.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Fajila. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my bacha. My bachu. It's my bachu's birthday today. He's 8 years old. Can you believe it? Can you believe you came into my life 8 years ago? It's actually his birthday, not like day he came into my life. He came into my life in September, but 2nd August is his birthday. I love you. Mama loves you. Tomorrow is his birthday, मतलब आज रात को शुरू हो चुका है. We went to our friend's house. I wasn't vlogging there because I just like those moments to be to myself and intimate. And then we came home for my Fudgy's birthday. Tomorrow is going to be all about Fudgy. He's going to get his favorite meaty cake, mutton cake. By 3 बज रहे रात के, he's not interested. Sunday is all about Fudgy. Plan to have friends over, cut his cake, get him toys, get him clothes. Sunday usually his groomer comes and I messaged him कि कल मत आना फज को नहलाने के लिए because I don't care if he's dirty. He's not gonna be upset on his birthday. He hates having a bath. So no grooming tomorrow. Mummy's not there for his birthday, so we have to attempt making a mutton cheesecake for Fudge. Let's see how that goes. 8 years, my mother has made his birthday cake every single year. She's not there. She's in Mangalore now. She's coming back on Monday. She might just give him another portion of her version of the cake and celebrate his birthday all over again. But tomorrow is his birthday and we are celebrating it. Fudge is literally the best thing that God has ever given me. Like when I get tired of challenges in my life and I question God that why is he doing this to me, I look at Fudge and he's like, I've given you everything you ever wanted in this creature. He made me the happiest. He gave me life again in Fudge. Like I was at my lowest point in life and I've never been in that darkness ever except 8 years ago when I was in deep depression, deep darkness, and like literally no hope to live because my health was really bad. So always ambitious. My health was not cooperating with my ambition. I had no motivation to get up from the bed, and when I got Fudge, he was my only motivation to get up and do something for this little creature that is today my literally he's been through everything with me in my life. Like Fudge has been through house changes, difficulties, exam pressure. He used to study, like Pooja and I used to study virtually and Fudge desk पे बैठता था जो मैं पढ़ाई करती थी. तो जब मैं YouTube वीडियोस बनाती थी तो वो भौंकता था साइड से. हमेशा लेट जाता था, सो जाता था मेरे मेकअप के बीच में. रात को बैठ के मैं एडिट करती थी. जितने घर मैंने शिफ्ट किए उसने मेरे साथ शिफ्ट किया है. हर एक part of my journey, Fudge is the biggest constant. Even today to go to office, he comes with me sometimes because he's like, he just wants to be part of everything. He's so much me and I'm so much him. Like he's my everything. Like Fudge is my everything. He's literally my firstborn. Truly my firstborn child. I'm having bone broth. It's an instant bone broth powder that Mally got me from US. It's really comforting and it's just 50 calories and it has 10 gram protein. It's feeling a little hungry because हम 3 बजे रात को आए. Literally सुबह के 4 बज रहे guys and we just got back home. So it's literally breakfast time for some people. But it's Sunday, so tomorrow I'm gonna wake up आराम से. No alarms for tomorrow. Whenever we wake up, it's Fudge's birthday. It's already Fudge's birthday. He's asleep, but it's his birthday. जितने बजे भी उठूंगी, I will get to work for his birthday. Tomorrow, no work. It's only about him. Only about celebrating my baby.
The next day.
Fudgy's birthday gift has to be bought. Fudgy's going to get new toy. Fudgy's had a hard year. Doggy but Fudgy. We're going to buy you all the toys in the toy shop. Chewy one and squeaky one and humpy one. Every toy that you want. Okay? Let's go. But the boy is going to get new toy. He's so excited to wear his leash. रुक गया सोच रहा है किधर जा रहे हैं हम. Toy, we have to buy toy. Come on. We're just going down the street to a dog pet shop where you get good squeaky toys, and then we'll go to Miniso and get him his Humpy toy. That's Fudge's favorite. Everybody knows that on my channel now. Okay, Fudge को Miniso के toy बहुत पसंद है. We have reached.
So he saw an auto, no, so he's like, yeah.
Yeah. No. Come on. See, we've reached. What do you want? You want rope? Least interested. Pineapple? Not interested. Ball है क्या उसका?
Ball we have.
Does he like these kind of toys?
No, he doesn't. Anything that is a plastic.
Fudgy burger. Burger. This one? Burger? This you want?
Yeah.
What is that noise?
He's tired. Wait.
Let me see now. Yeah.
No,
No?
he doesn't.
No?
He doesn't.
Can I take it?
He doesn't want this.
बो में और कुछ अच्छा नहीं है.
वो blue वाला अच्छा लग रहा है यार मुझे.
Sassy and classy to tacky. रानी बेटी. इतना इंडियनाइज क्यों हो गया सब कुछ? पहले they used to have really good stuff. This is the only bow tie they have.
You want this, no? Okay. Billing this. Wait.
Wait, that's it? Only one?
ठीक है और देखो ना he has his ice cream.
There's a mutton biryani over here. They have foods. Should we get this bow tie? Fudgy, you want this bow tie? You don't wear them. ले लो और कुछ है ही नहीं bow option. You don't want any noise makers, Fudge? What? Huh?
सब चाहिए.
सब चाहिए. Strawberry, go. Okay, take this also.
A few moments later.
Guys, I'm having creatine.
So
Read
which is
put
better
me
you're
onto
saying?
this.
I mean,
It basically
this one
helps
is more
to
defined.
pump.
But I don't have any. But
Fudge's birthday cake is being assembled. Yay, Dad is assembling your birthday cake. Wait, let him assemble it. Mala is making a candle also for you. Wait, put Dada. Mutton keema that Chotu allowed. Yes. Mutton keema, perfect. Yum. No salt.
First topping is your cheese.
First, your cheese. You're getting some cheese. Come, picture, family picture. Come.
Hold.
Come.
Direct.
He won't eat. He
He will eat.
He won't eat. He knows. He knows what he has to do. He knows his responsibilities. Sit.
Let's go that
Don't eat.
No, wait. First.
Wait, don't
First
eat.
take Sarah and Purple. Fudgy. Hey, Gigi. Chal, come on, eat.
Come on, eat.
Eat.
Remove.
Come on, eat.
Eat.
Shit, boy.
He's understanding what all other textures he has.
boy. Look at this boy. Cheese सबसे पहले खाया है.
It took 5 minutes. Literally just 5 minutes.
So fast.
Devoured. He's done. Fudgy is done. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Healthy snacks at Powell, bhaiya. This is healthy.
These are banana chips?
Yeah.
Can we share?
Yum.
Yeah, of course.
What are you asking as if we can't afford banana chips? You can buy 2 packets also
No,
if you
one
want.
is enough. We're on a diet.
Look, who's talking?
No, the other day I finished one full packet of banana chips in one
Where are
sitting.
all those Lays? You all just inhaled it?
No, it's in the cupboard.
He's
It's
hidden it?
See what Mama has first. See. Why are you coming to me? He's like complaining to me. What is it?
Strawberry! Strawberry is there. Your strawberry? Oh, you want Humpy Toy? Strawberry or Humpy Toy? No more. He's like, और कुछ है?
He wants that one.
Strawberry?
He wants to hump.
What is this, Fudgy?
That's a kangaroo hamster.
Miniso.
Yeah, kangaroo hamster. Kangaroo hamster, some hybrid.
Strawberry you want or no? I'll take it to office. I'll keep it in your office toys. Woo!
Mally, go trouble him. Go now.
The next day.
Back in office on Monday, and today is the first Monday of new month. It's August. Finally, another month has started, and this month was actually going to be the launch of a very exciting product for us. But unfortunately, ये product हम import करा रहे हैं. ये product का पूरा raw material India में नहीं है. हमको एक ingredient मंगवाना है कोई और country से. So this is a very exciting limited edition drop. It was actually scheduled for August का launch, but because of typhoon season in all of Southwest Asia, it's not coming from there. It's supposed to be imported, and then we've made a specific formula in India, and then we are going to launch it in August only. मैंने payment July में कर दी थी raw material की, but अब तक raw material port से ही नहीं निकला है, तो I don't know वो कब मिलेगा. I think now we might shift it to September का launch. September, October में you can expect a very cool, exciting, limited edition product. It's also one of the most expensive products we've ever launched at Impulse, so it's kind of a an investment, but I know it's going to be worth it because the outcome is beautiful plus tasty. Very exciting product. साथ ही साथ we are working on protein coffee, तो वो तो चल रहा था. 2 products का R&D simultaneously चल रहा था इतने टाइम से. But protein coffee अभी भी in process and research and development है. And ये वाला product lock हो गया. We'll launch it now. We're also making some changes to our branding and overall experience at Impulse. So labels and everything is going to be changing. We're making it cooler. When I started Impulse, it was all my money. I only put 6 lakh capital and I started this company. So that was barely anything. And वो भी तभी मैंने लोन लिया था मेरे डैड के फ्रेंड से. आज माशाल्लाह कंपनी इतनी दूर आ गई है. There's a lot more we can do. We can make your experience better, cooler, and we thought that now is the right time. We're heading into our 5th anniversary in December, so we are changing things up, changing the overall experience. So I'm looking at newer customized jars, coffee jars, labels, all of that is going to change. Packaging material thoda upgrade. If you look at this packaging material and you compare it to apna hot chocolate ka pouch, this is so much more superior. Now I have all these vendor ke contacts jo better pouches banate hain, better quality. This is such a good quality material. This matte packaging, really nice to feel, to touch, to use. Every single sachet inside is also premium in quality. So with every new product we've launched at Impulse, like the sachet box, these iced tea sachets, and even the newer products that you will see abhi se, every product will have a very cool packaging. I could unfortunately never do that for my coffee jars because they are such an old product, and koi bhi new flavor also I had to keep doing it in the same way. I have finally made up my mind and we have made the decision to revamp the entire coffee jar shape, label, everything. So a lot is going to change further on from now. The andar ka maal will remain the same. Aapki favorite coffee, best quality, 100% Arabica, everything is going to remain the same. But bahar se jo experience hai wo upgrade karenge hum. It's going to take time. All this doesn't happen overnight, and the whole process is going to be very long and tedious. So I have been working on it for very long. We've been working on a lot of things from very long, which is what I've been telling you all. कि ऐसी सारी चीजें होती है ऑफिस में कि मैं आपको बताती नहीं हूँ because आप शायद इंटरेस्ट ना लो. But मुझे लास्ट व्लॉग्स में सबने बोला है कि we want to know everything that's happening in your office. Tell us everything. So I'm telling you all everything. One ingredient is stuck in import export. One product is in research and development. So tomorrow also we'll visit the labs for it, tomorrow or day after. Then overall jars वगैरह का packaging we are upgrading. We have a branding agency on the project, so they are working on a designing, form exploration, everything, and then we'll connect with vendors to see what all is possible, because this is the most massy mold, like this jar shape, and the 50-gram jar is a very massy jar. You get this jar in the market already, and ये ढक्कन भी कुछ unique नहीं है. Label का design हमेशा unique था हमारा, but overall the jar shape we will have to explore, and then we will probably have to get a mold made for it. So all of this is currently in the works in the new product development line, apart from the existing business which is going on and on. So yeah, that's all the update I have for you. Today is Monday, so I'm just gonna clear my email load, and I already have a sync with the team already. It's 3 बज रहे हैं अभी. मैं आप लोगों के साथ 3 बजे बात कर रही हूँ. सुबह से मैं काम कर रही थी.
A few moments later.
So it's literally in one day I talk to 10,000 people to align on new product, existing product, rebranding, new labels, new jars, new design, shape, everything. It's not like I'm doing it alone. Of course, my team is all collaborating on it and making it happen, but I am the key operator to make sure that everyone has not forgotten anything and is basically doing everything the way we've planned, so the timelines are met. And no matter how hard we work and how much we try, still certain timelines get missed, like this imported product which is not coming due to typhoon season, या फिर war हो गई या कुछ हो गया, तो ये सारी चीजें business को directly impact करती है. Sales तो impact होते ही है, but आगे जो आपने plan किया वो भी impact होता है. It's always that way. It's not like business is never like this. It's always up and down and down and up, and you have to get used to it. But this is the best on ground MBA I could have ever gotten. I remember the time जब मैं Impulse start करी थी, तो मैं 2 minds में थी कि मैं masters के लिए MBA opt करूँ क्या, क्योंकि मेरा masters करने का वक्त आ गया था. I was done with undergraduation when I started Impulse, so I could have done a masters in business and gotten an MBA and then done this. Probably now I would have started a brand, or in the last 4 years I've gained a lot of on hand MBA experience, like got a real field study जैसा. And now with the rebranded vision, everything, I have a very clear picture of where my brand is headed, what it's up to, what our brand stories, who our target audiences, who we are catering to, what our consumer base is, what are the kind of products I'm going to bring, what difference am I making as a brand in this existing world of so many D2C brands that are out there. Am I just another coffee brand? Am I doing something innovative with my products? What is it that Impulse is speaking to its consumers? So that entire outlook I've had in the last 1.5 years since I've really been aggressively on scaling my brand. And I think no MBA can buy you on ground study. Like I have put a lot more money than the initial 6 lakhs. At this point, I think I've put more than 1 crore in Impulse Coffees and got the brand to the stage it is today. And I continue to invest when the brand needs money. But the main biting the bullet is learning that you will burn your fingers. Even if you do an MBA and come back and start a brand of your own, there will be a lot of mistakes you will make, a lot of burning of fingers which will happen. And it's only when you burn your fingers then you'll be cautious and you'll be like, okay, next time I'm never going to make this mistake again. And that teaches you better lessons than a book will ever teach you, a degree will ever teach you. And I've learned so much and that is very exciting to me. Just the part of building this business. And because ये मेरा खुद का पैसा है, I have learned everything खुद से, खुद का पैसा लगा कि मेरी मेहनत की कमाई जो भी मैंने इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग से कमाया है सब कुछ अपने बिजनेस में लगाया है. वो चीजें मुझे वो वैल्यू सिखाती है कि यू हैव टू ऑलवेज बी फ्रूगल विद मनी एंड ऑलवेज एम फॉर प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी. इट्स वेरी इजी इन D2C businesses to just take an investment and scale your business and then be burning money in marketing all the time. But because I started this business so frugally, I have done एकदम पाई का हिसाब रखती हूँ मैं एकदम अच्छे से. तो मुझे आइडिया देता है कि ठीक है भाई कभी भी पैसा लेके जलाना नहीं है. If I ever take investment now I feel ready more than ever to take external funding. I should never feel ready to do this before. I should never tell you all कि मैं funding उठा लूंगी या मैं पैसे उठा लूंगी because किसी और का पैसा आपको ज्यादा pressure देता है, right? That puts you under the liability that you know to multiply their money and give it back to them. I never felt ready before, but now that I have put so much of my money and so frugally multiplied it and benefited my company, I'm more confident with the team I have today with my money that okay, tomorrow if I ever take investment, I am capable of multiplying somebody's money and giving it back to them. So that has come only with time, and I think I would never, like a lot of people take money even before they start a brand. I would never have the confidence to do that back. If you ask me जब Impulse शुरू किया तभी funding क्यों नहीं उठाया, भाई मैंने जला दिया होता वो पैसा. Like a lot of mistakes have happened with Impulse, and I'm not even talking about the fire in the warehouse. That was a tragedy, but mistakes have also happened, and it's better to learn with your own money. And it's an MBA, like जितना मैंने MBA में डाला होता उतना मैंने Impulse में डाल के सीखा है. So that's how I look at it. Content doesn't leave me anywhere. Content office में भी shoot होता है. What happened at Impulse under a minute. Okay. Everything that happened at Impulse last week under a minute. Charge मर गया. Last live पे charge. Did that not impact this? Show me what it looks like.
Later that same evening.
कितना जा रहा है?
ये दुख रहा है मेरे को.
हाँ तो वही तो दम लगाना इधर as if you're squeezing something here.
बस भाई इतना ही है कुछ.
थोड़ा है.
Because definition, like I can see the definition here. See, this is started to come. This used to never come. Can you see this bend? This used to never come.
ऐसा, no? If you get the bulge coming.
अरे boss, इतना नहीं है मेरा. Guys, we are going to watch Spider-Man. Guys, मैं मर चुकी हूँ और रीत like Spider-Man दिखने है, Spider-Man दिखने है. पूरा वीकेंड भी बोलता कि मैं सुनी नहीं, तो अभी मंडे को स्पाइडरमैन देखते हैं. चलो
मंडे को जिम बंद रहता है
क्योंकि मंडे को जिम बंद रहता है, समझे उसका वो एक्सप्लेनेशन.
हाँ, क्योंकि मैडम जब आती है ऑफिस से, फिर मैडम को जाना होता है जिम, फिर जिम जाने के बाद मूवी हो गया.
यस माय लव, वी आर गोइंग. माय बैग ऑफ स्क्रंचीज मेरी फ्रेंड मेरे लिए बनाती है. मेरे में कहाँ से इतनी जान आ रही है 7-8 घंटे काम करने के बाद.
We can't miss the starting.
We are not going to miss the starting. जखारिया, just let's go. कब से बोल रहा है ये आदमी. तैयार खुद नहीं है, मैं तैयार हूँ. दिख रहा है मेरा लिप टिंट भी लगा दी हूँ. खाली बड़बड़ करते रहो. बाल देखो अपने. मैं पूरी रेडी हूँ. क्या चाहिए मुझसे? ठंडी लगेगी बोलना जा. मैं जैकेट पहनने वाली हूँ, समझे ना?
The next day.
हम Q&A live update shoot कर रहे हैं. Jokaria's answered one question. Yes guys, today is Tuesday and it is shoot day. तो हम बैठे हैं YouTube long format shoot करने after ages. Today I feel a little calm because Sharon is back to work. माशाल्लाह. So I'm feeling a little better कि मुझे ऐसा creativity भी लग रही है. And शांति से हम बैठ के हमारे घर में content shoot कर रहे हैं. आप लोग के लिए, तो enjoy watching when this comes.
The makeup looks so good. When you take your time and do it, it looks so good. Even though my skin is breaking out, I have this one dark spot which is peeling a lot of this. But दूर से ही देखो and नजदीक से भी देखो, it looks flawless. Love it. And now I'm shooting one branded video. And that will be it for my shoot day. I have only done content today for y'all, for brands and for y'all, organic and paid both.
Many hours later.
Maria's here, Maria. Maria. Whose bag is this?
Your mom's.
This I tried to shut it. It's not shutting on me. There's so much repair work that this house needs. I that day put tape on it because Rita and I were
But
shooting.
that's the thing inside.
I know this router is too big. Either we need a smaller router or like somebody needs to fix the situation and put it in so this shuts. Because we definitely cannot have a bigger situation here. This is for your mouth.
Yuck. What is that?
Tape.
Tape.
How many rats you caught in Mud Island this time?
None actually. I think they learned what's happening and how they're scared of coming. We have
What is this? Gods and Kings?
book Honey from Mangalore.
Mangalore Hall. We are getting a Mangalore Hall.
This is
guy
for
who was removing
this
the
is-
honey, he also said that, do you want it? I didn't hear because they were gonna...
Anyway, this is for Sylvia.
Oh my god. Why didn't you buy honey from the beehive? They were removing a beehive from outside our building and they asked for honey and Reed said no, so dumb. Organic honey, you said
आया
no.
ना honey.
Dark.
आ गया ना.
Hey,
आ
hey,
गया.
auntie.
Where were you going to
Sylvia auntie has demanded this honey.
She has lot of demands.
Mutton curry, jackfruit from our tree that's looking not so fresh, but
Put it in the fridge, I'll have tomorrow morning. Don't finish it. I want for breakfast. Can you soak overnight oats for me?
yeah.
With chia seeds.
अभी glasses इधर है और इधर क्या? इधर भी glasses.
Glass का दुकान लगा सकते हैं.
But
इतना.
why? From where are these came? All these were
We've always
here.
had
I
it.
just never opened.
He's cleaning.
Wow. Shabash.
Look at the reaction he gave. Wow.
He literally told me मैं आ रहा हूँ. And his मैं was not MEIN. Me. Me English वाला me आ रहा हूँ.
मैं is M-E.
No, it's MEIN or MAIN.
M-A-I. मैं.
This is alag only. That's Mangalore. See my. Hall is over. That's all you got from Mangalore. Nana didn't bring anything.
They got lots of chocolates, chips.
You ate everything in 2 days.
Your mom also has. I think she'll send. She kept being like, Reet likes this, Reet likes that. I'm like, okay.
Reet का ही बेटा है ना.
Again is spilled, no?
I didn't spill this. I don't know what it is.
This is food only.
What is it?
But no, it's not today's food. I don't know what it is. I think that day we go to the theater, I spilled something there.
Theater पे हमने क्या खाया? We didn't eat.
Not the Amazing Spider-Man, the Odyssey day.
Oh, we watched Spider-Man.
Last night.
Yeah.
Yes.
How was it?
Really good.
Yeah.
So now I'm watching Far Away Home. The one after Endgame,
I
but
like
before.
this because Tom Holland is. I didn't see it. But
Tom Holland
is
looks so hot in
and
this.
Zendaya's also in it. But before there was some mid guy. I don't know.
Mid guy was not in the Marvel universe, Andrew Garfield. But Emma Stone was hot. In
Not
those.
Andrew Garfield. Before in the order, like
That is Tobey Maguire, that guy nahi. But Andrew Garfield mein Emma Stone was really hot to watch.
Emma Stone
Zendaya was barely there in the movie, not so much.
she's getting busy. What does she do? Like she's always in movies. For
Side
5
character,
minutes.
but I don't think she's a great actress. I think she's a good model. That's what she is, right?
No, she doesn't model. She's like just like playing supporting roles in every.
Is she an actress?
Yeah, she's
Which-
like a child actress. And then from this TV show Shake It Up, and then from that she's always been acting.
But then supporting roles in these big movies. No, Tom Holland is the main lead
Yeah,
in these movies.
facts. But like always on the red carpet, she's wearing like the most extravagant dress.
That is
And-
her stylist is bomb.
Later that same evening.
Line, so that's why I've been like cost cutting wherever possible.
Try to make a package for a naming or something like, if you can just give us flavors for like, what all flavors are there
Yeah.
in total, like for your coffee,
Okay.
for your protein, for your whatever we are doing, like, you send us a list and then we'll get back. Yeah.
Done. I'll
Because
do that.
naming shouldn't be like as expensive as
Designing.
the entire copy for the pack. Like, of course, if you want to include it for one packaging and rest of it, you sort of do on your own. Like I said, master is the most important one, and then
But the
whatever-
name is such a thing now that the language has to keep. So if you notice, like Like when we did the first launch, we did Vicharo Vanilla, Mocha Pe Choca and Rakhi Rani Espresso were the first 3 flavors. After that, it became more like a community thing that either our community would suggest, they understood the language like Hindi, English, and they would suggest a name, or it would just be something like you're saying, like amidst so many things of being done, name would be the last thing we would think of. बच रहा है ना? कितना ग्राम हुआ मतलब ये? मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है। इस पे अपन कस्टम कैप करा सकते हैं ना?
हाँ, we can develop custom cap according to सर एक मीटिंग।
डिजाइन ही वैसा करना पड़ेगा।
डिजाइन भी थोड़ा एक
चेंज हो ही जाएगा। आई थिंक मुझे कैप करना है। कैप तो मुझे ये नहीं, आई एम बोर्ड ऑफ दिस कैप। लेबल भी चेंज होगा। कैप कुछ और अलग होना चाहिए। What are your thoughts on this jar? ढक्कन इग्नोर करके।
Yeah, it's good.
लेबल भी बदलेगा।
Yes, yes. Good. With how many 8 corners?
वो सब नहीं मालूम मम्मी, खाली शेप पूछ रही हूँ।
1 hour later.
Okay, I am not getting a minute to speak to you all peacefully today, but quickly catching up with what has been happening today. Full day मेरा आज rebranding और जो हम कॉफी की पैकेजिंग चेंज कर रहे हैं उसमें ही मेरा आज का पूरा दिन चला गया है. I got my period, so I was not like in the mood to talk in the vlog, but now I'm feeling a lot better. First few hours are like as if somebody's taken a rubber band and tied it and it's painful, but after a few hours I'm better. I'm completely fine now. So we had a meeting with the rebranding agency in the morning, and they walked us through the entire process of naming our products, because we are also planning to remove the Hindi English name. We actually always thought we want to go international with our products, but always got restricted due to this. Like अगर हम कोई और country में जाएंगे तो हमको English ही standard रखना पड़ेगा, and then we'll have to put like उनकी language का label में, and because हमारा हिंदी था, we never went cross borders. We have shipped internationally, and we do ship our coffees internationally through our website. We do have a good sales internationally also. It's not massive, but it's there. But we've never been able to distribute in Dubai or in European countries when our coffee is this good, and people do want it on the shelves, but we've not gone into that distribution. So अभी हम मुझे rebrand के बाद कुछ barrier रखना ही नहीं. There should be no reason why my product can't go global. It deserves to be there. The quality is there of the product. All my products are the highest quality possible, not just for Indian market, but also as per EU standard, as per UK standard. So I should not be able to not go there only because of the name of the product, right? तो इसलिए नाम बदलने का plan किया है, but the name still has to be super iconic, like how our Vicharo Vanilla was. So that was a discussion we had in the morning with the rebranding agency. So they've started with that. और फिर शाम को glass vendor आया था, and glass vendor ने हमको एक धक्का दिया कि 15 लाख का mold बनेगा अगर मुझे customized mold बनाना है glass का. I was like, भाई, are you freaking kidding me? I am not. That is a one-time cost, but it is a parked cost. Like that is your mold, and then वो mold पे उसके बाद you will make like jars, etc. That's extremely expensive. Even if I can afford it one time, I think right now I don't need it. I might make the mold and मेरी coffee, मतलब MOQs तो होंगे, minimum order quantity 50,000 की है. That is not the problem. The mold cost of 15 lakhs is too much to park at once. My idea was that I will get that done, and then tomorrow when protein powder comes in glass and plastic का shape similar होगा, but अभी I'm not sure. He gave me this mold which is basically generic. It's a hexagonal shape. इतने सारे sides है उसके, आप देख सकते हो. आप label ignore करो, but this is the shape of the jar. अपना label तो बदल जाएगा ना जब packaging बदलेगी. But I don't know if my manufacturer will be able to take this in his machine जब label लगाते हैं. So I will just speak to him. What do you guys think? Tell me. This is 95 grams. It's not 100 grams. This is अपना 100 gram का jar. Which one do you like better? Do you still like this or do you like this? And imagine this with a new cap. Like we were thinking कि ये मासी है तो इसमें हमको MOQ, mold cost ये सब का problem नहीं आएगा. And then अपन custom cap बनवा सकते हैं. उसका cost I can bear के उसका 2-3 लाख जितना mold cost होगा. So that is still affordable. And then we can do MOQs in the cap. So cap अपना एकदम custom cap होगा. कुछ shape जो Impulse का unique identity होगा. And then jar can be this. So what do you think? Do you like this jar more, the hexagonal shape, or do you like the cylindrical round generic jar? Let me know. We can do a custom cap on both. We can do custom cap here or here, but let me know what you guys think in the comments. And then we sampled protein coffee, which actually changed my mood sampling the protein coffee, because after so long we got a sample which is actually so good. Like literally I think this is it, because if you try it you're gonna love it. This is that कि हमने हमारा hazelnut coffee manufacturer को भेजा और बोला प्रोटीन इसमें डाल के दो, and that is tasting
amazing, very good. So mocha and hazelnut, both the coffees taste amazing. Abhi chocolate wala abhi tak nahi ready hai, but that's okay. That's where we are at the moment. And yeah, I think it was a good day in office overall. जहाँ सब कुछ align हो रहा है. Finally एक protein literally मैं I think मुझे जब periods आया आज सुबह मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था मुझे was shitty day in office, but after tasting the protein coffee मेरा दिन बन गया है. And now we are going to the lab to try the formulator का protein sample. So my manufacturers are also working on one end, giving us samples, and formulators also working. जो अच्छा लगे हम lock कर देंगे, फिर lab testing वगैरह कराएंगे and वैसे करेंगे. तो that's the overall plan. तो अभी lab चलते हैं, देखते हैं कि formulator ने क्या बनाया है. Let's go.
A few moments later.
I came back from work and immediately went to the gym, and I don't think that was the best decision I made because body is not wanting to work out. मेरे को period आए थे and still I pushed through and did my work for the day, and now my body in the gym was just like बस हुआ सारा, go home. Back is hurting a lot. I just had arms day, तो I thought ठीक है upper body है हो जाएगा. Arms ही तो है, but no, body is paining and body gave up and now I've come back home.
कभी कभी ना मेरे में चर्बी कम नहीं है. काम पे से आई इमीडिएटली रेस्ट भी नहीं लिया, जिम चली गई क्योंकि मेरे ट्रेनर के पास आज से 7 बजे का स्लॉट था. पूरा वर्कआउट माय बॉडी वाज लाइक क्या कर रही है लड़की, जा रेस्ट कर. बस दिस पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइक आई डोंट गेट इंटेंस पेन ड्यूरिंग माई पीरियड दैट आई कांट डू वर्क. आई जस्ट गेट इट फॉर द फर्स्ट आवर. बहुत दुखता है फिर आई एम नॉर्मल. बट नाउ लाइक बिकॉज आई वर्कड आउट फुल बॉडी yesterday, this part is hurting and my bum is hurting because I did workout yesterday full body and my body just did not want to push in the gym. मैं इसलिए गई क्योंकि मुझे लगा सिर्फ upper body day है तो bicep tricep ही था आज. I finished the workout but it was a drag and I didn't do any cardio and now I'm just like and a lot of like fatigue. Body is just like tired and doesn't want to move. गरम पानी से नहाने वाली हूँ मैं, मस्त लगेगा उसके बाद. Could have skipped workout. I feel good after doing it, that's for sure, क्योंकि it was just upper body. I'm glad I did it, but I should not have done it. Ideally, should have just come and rested. My back needed the rest. ये सब बहुत दुख रहा है. Oh, I need a massage. रीत और मैली भी जिम गए और ना उनमें से कोई एक मेरे को मालिश कर देगा पीठ.
Later that same evening.
रीत got me creatine and electrolytes.
And what about me?
Are you bleeding? No uterus, no cervix.
Look, I cut myself.
No uterus, no
What
service.
he did, you know, in the basin, he kept his chutney to sukhao. Basin is
Not chuddy, swimming pants.
Okay. I was like, bro, this is my luxury house, not your Madailand Gao life.
My underwear is expensive.
My house is expensive.
One eternity later.
Hello, it's Friday today and we are having a focus group for our newest launch. I told you all, I think in this vlog के focus group होगा ये week, but I will not be able to show you the product because अगर वो भी दिखा दिया तो क्या ही बचा surprise के लिए. So I won't show you, but we've called exclusive 25 of our customers, 5 people from our social media following and 20 people who are Impulse customers. We do these limited edition focus groups where they get to try the product, give us feedback on it, what they think. We've already made this product, our product is finalized. This is more like just giving them the first hand exclusive experience, and they also help us understand what and how a customer will receive this product. So it's very insightful for us, but बहुत मजा भी आता है करने के लिए. I was not vlogging in the last 2 days because I got my period, so I was in a lot of pain, but also I got a urinary tract infection which is so painful. So having the combination of both of them is like I don't know how I got the UTI. I have not traveled in such a long time. I have no idea how I got it, but anyway that is hurting me आज भी. तो आज मैं सुबह फिर ऑफिस नहीं गई, अभी सीधा मैं फोकस ग्रुप में जा रही हूँ. मैं काफी ऐसे मरियल हालत में थी सुबह से, बट मेकअप लगा के मेरे में जान आ गई है. I will keep it low key. I won't be very hyper and super energetic at the focus group, but I'm excited to meet my customers nonetheless. I always love doing these, so pulling all the meditative energy together to have the best energy over there. We're having this focus group in a cafe called Cafe. It's in Warsaw, so I'm very excited to eat the food also over there. My team has already reached. They've done the setup and all. हम दो मरीज ये गाड़ी में आ रहे हैं.
Yeah.
Past tense मरीज, present.
Yeah, I can't imagine periods by UTI. I'll be dead straight up.
Yeah, that is
exactly
literally मौत. Day before yesterday in the night, I got up with excruciating pain in my uterus or bladder. I was not able to understand and I was like, क्या हो रहा है? I woke Reet and I was like, emergency में जाना पड़ेगा. And he's like, so क्या हो रहा है? The feeling of I peed and I still wanted to pee. So that time I understood that it's a UTI because it's like there is nothing in my body to pee, but still my body is like pee. So that's cramping and I was like, bladder is also cramping, uterus is also cramping. Then I took a Combiflam and next day I went to the doctor. So that was all about yesterday, which I didn't vlog. But yeah, being a girl is hard.
Fucking hard. Fucking ask me about it.
All
You ask me,
girls.
I am happy मैंने मेरे को periods नहीं आए for the first time in my life after operation.
Yeah, I know. But I am scared for when you'll get your period.
I am also scared, but till the time it's not come, I'm enjoying.
Yeah.
I'm also praying that it's like not as.
If it's not gonna come for so long, I think you'll be fine.
It'll be fine, and I
Yeah.
think so because the pain is going now.
Yeah.
By the time I get it, I'll be like, imagine if I don't have pain during periods.
It'll
I'll be
so
revolutionary.
for you, yeah.
Oh my god, I've had periods for 19 years. I got at the age of 8.
And you've always had excruciating pain.
And flow. So if that doesn't happen, this is like life changing.
Yeah. When I met her for the first time and I came to know she has so much pain. Like so, I've seen girls have incredible amounts of pain. But exactly, it's not normal, right? A lot of people have endometriosis when they have this kind of pain. And I'm like, this is not normal. The kind of pain I've seen Sharon in it's just not normal. Every period she's like blacking out pain. I also get pain, but for 1 hour, 2 hours max. And I'm like, I understand, but not like that much anyways. I'm just glad. I just hope your period is normal this time. I'm of course drinking a lot of water. When you have UTI, I just drink like, I anyways drink 2-3 liters. So doc has told me 2-3 liters. So that means 4-5 liters in my language to flush out the toxins.
Jazz or like a festive feel to the packaging. That might, I mean, like a more gift sort of a vibe.
So in your forms, you will also have an option to give suggestions for name. We've not yet like locked on this name. I'm looking at a September, mid-September end launch. So we are very early to like make, you're literally like the first people who are going to try this. Give me all the feedback that you want to give, even in formula. If you think और sweet करना है या बहुत sweet है, कुछ भी आपको लगे. I do these focus groups, so I get your first-hand insight. You can give me all the feedback. We can still make changes. Hopefully becomes a part of your routine, your relaxing routine. Most of you are voting for it, or your morning or mid-work when you just can't deal with work anymore. You can maybe turn to this. Thank you for all the feedback. Portion size, packaging, सब कुछ. I'm gonna take it back now and think about it and start working on it. Thanks so much for coming, and yeah, you all can start taking your lead. We've taken all the feedback. I have your impulse goodies here. Thank you so much for coming and taking the time out for this. It's really meant a lot to me.
A few inches later.
These focus groups are so insightful. Like everyone loved the product, so I'm so glad that the product has impressed everyone. It's a product that India has not seen before, and still everyone was very impressed with how it's tasting, etc. We got 2 very valuable feedbacks. One was on the packaging, that it can be a lighter shade. The packaging people did not like the colors of. That we can work on because packaging अभी तक print में नहीं गया है. हम focus group करते ही main batch production से पहले हैं, ताकि जितने changes वो लोग बोले हम incorporate कर पाए. कुछ मिठास ज्यादा चाहिए, मीठा कम, मीठा ज्यादा, वो सब चीजें. बट वो सब का करने का कुछ है ही नहीं. वो सब जैसे लोगों को सबको अच्छा लगा. जिनको कम मीठा लगा उनको हमेशा ऑप्शन है कि आप और मीठा कर सकते हो. बट जिनको मिठास ज्यादा जमती नहीं है उनको सबको परफेक्ट लगा. सो दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग. We've used monk fruit sweetener here, so all of our indulgence is like guilt free. The other valuable feedback that I received was that we should do 5-gram servings. We should not do 10-gram. We were going to do 10-gram servings, but now they've suggested to do 5 grams so that people get more in their one box, and maybe people don't want to consume such a big drink all at once. So that is very doable. I called the manufacturer and told him 5 gram करते हैं, and he was like वो तो और भी अच्छा है मेरे लिए, क्योंकि आपके पाउडर के लिए मुझे नया पार्ट लेना पड़ता मेरी मशीन के लिए. I was like great. It all worked out in the end. So good valuable feedback that we got. My head is paining a little bit because I was not feeling well and I still like did इतना social interaction. तो मेरे को सर बहुत दुख रहा है, घर जाके मैं सोने वाली हूँ. I'm gonna end this vlog right here. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. for today's video. Sar's shout out goes to everyone who came for this focus group. What total sweethearts. Like one of them even gave me like a letter. Very sweet, and I want to read this now. Aaram se main baith ke padungi because such sweet things. Whoever I meet and I can get to spend time one-on-one with y'all, it's so valuable to me, and just the sweetest people came today and बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे सबसे मिलके. तो सब लोगों का मेरा सारा स्कोर shout out is everyone who came today. Thank you so much for watching me, for being a part of this journey, for getting inspired, for following along. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.